In this video I am going to show you how to create a scrolling timeline count animation in Capcut. First go to Library, then add a black background to the timeline. Then go to Mask, and click on Add Mask. Now select Film Strip Mask, then close it up a bit. Now go to Basic, scroll down to Canvas, click on the drop-down menu, then select Color. Now select the color you want to use, so I am going to select Ash for this tutorial. And this is going to help to align the text well in the middle. Go to Text and add a default text to the timeline. Then increase the duration to match the duration of the black background. Now go to the text area and type the number you want to begin with. So I will type 0. Then change the font and resize it to fit the space. Now type the remaining numbers, so I will continue to 9. Now drag the text a bit to the left, then position the number 0 in the black background. So we will make 3 duplicates of the text and place it on top of each other. Then position them beside each other, just the way I am doing mine. So now position the numbers you want the animation to start from in the black background. So for the first text I will start from 7. Then leave the second at 0. Then I will start the third text from 9. Then the fourth text from 2. Now select the first text, scroll to transform and add a keyframe on position. Then move the playhead to where you want the animation to end. Then position the number you want on the black background, so I will use 1 for the first text. So let's do same for the second text, so select it, and add a keyframe on position. Then move the playhead to where you want the animation to end. So use the position of the first keyframe as reference. So for the second text I will place it at 9. So do same for the third and the fourth text. So when you are done you should be aiming for something like this. Now let's go back to the first text, right-click on it, then select Show Variable Speed Animation. Then scroll up and click on Preset Curves. Then come and select the first keyframe, and choose Cubic Out. Now adjust the animation until you get exactly what you want. When you are done, close this dialog, then hide your speed animation. So we have to do same for the second text, so right-click and select Show Variable Speed Animation. Click on Preset Curve, then come and select the first keyframe. Now choose Cubic Out, and adjust the curve the way you want. Then when you are done, hide the Variable Speed Animation dialog. So now do same for the third and the fourth text. So, when you are done you should be aiming for something like this. Now select all the text, right-click, then create a compound clip. Now select the black background. And you can open the mask to cover the whole screen, or delete it, so I will delete mine. Then place the text on the main layer. So I will move the text a bit to the right. Then go to Video, select Mask and click on Add Mask. Select Rectangle Mask, then position it on the first numbers. Then add some feathering to the text. So you should get something like this at the end. And I will reduce the feathering a bit to 28. So this is how to make this scrolling timeline animation effect in Capcut. So see you in the next video.